Hello, good morning dear students. Today we will discuss about the important practical concept calculation of interest on drawings. How to calculate interest on drawing in different situations while preparing profit and loss appropriation account. So here first important point for calculation of interest on drawing. Interest on drawing is charged by the firm only when it is clearly mentioned in the partnership deed. It is calculated with reference to the time period for which the money was withdrawn. Most important point, interest on drawing is charged if it is clearly mentioned in partnership deed. If in the partnership deed or in the absence of partnership deed, interest on drawing is not to be charged for any partner, and interest on drawing is calculated for time period which the money was withdrawn by the partner from the firm. There are two cases in which calculation of interest on drawing may arise. For calculation of interest on drawing, there are two conditions. These are the first condition, it is called case first and case second. Case first, important point, listen carefully here. Case first, when rate of interest is given without the word per annum. When the rate of interest is given without the word per annum, like 10%, like 10%. Here only 10% is given, not 10% per annum, not given 10% per annum. Here is given only 10%. Is it clear? So the interest rate is given without the word per annum. Understand? That is the case first. And case second, when rate of interest is given with the word per annum, like 10% per annum. Clearly you are seeing 10% per annum. Here interest rate is given with the word per annum. Is it clear? That is the case second. For calculation of interest on drawing, case second is divided first in two parts. First in two parts, these are the regular drawings and second is irregular drawings. Understand? Case second is divided in two parts for calculation of interest on drawing. The first is regular drawings and second is the irregular drawings. Regular drawings means partner withdraw a specified or a fixed amount on a fixed date of a month, of in a quarter or half yearly. It may be beginning of the month, beginning, middle of the month, end of month, beginning of quarter, middle of quarter, end of quarter, or beginning of half yearly, middle of half yearly, and end of a half yearly. That means a fixed time is given for calculating interest for drawings. So if a partner withdraw a fixed amount on regular base on a fixed time, that is the regular drawings. And second, the irregular drawing, whenever partner required money for personal use, he can withdraw any amount from the firm. So without any specified date, without any sequence, if a partner withdraw any amount from the firm, that will be called irregular drawings. So here for calculating interest on drawing, when regular drawings are made, average method is used for calculation of drawings. Point to be noted here. If a partner withdraw any amount from firm on regular basis, for calculation of interest on drawing in this situation, average method will be used. If a partner withdraw any amount on irregular base. For calculating interest on drawing, there may be three conditions. There may be three conditions. These conditions are: first, when date of drawing is not given in the question. When he withdraw the amount from the firm is not given, date of drawing is not given in the question. In such situation, average 6-month interest will be calculated. In such situation, in average 6 months interest will be calculated as per simple method. Is it clear? The second point, when date of drawing is given in the question clearly, if date of drawing is given in the clearly, in such situation, for calculation of interest on drawing, simple method will be utilized, and interest on drawing will be calculated for relevant time period for which amount is used by the partner. And condition third, when different dates for drawings are given, because sometimes partner withdraw again and again amount from the firm for personal use. When different dates for drawing are given in the question, in such situation product method will be used for calculation of interest on drawing. So here total three methods are used for calculation of interest on drawing. First is the average method, second is the simple method, and third is the product method. How to calculate interest on drawings by using these three methods in a different time, in different situation, we will discuss here. So here we will discuss about the case first. Case first, when rate of interest on drawings is given in percentage without the word of per annum. Case first, when rate of interest on drawing is given in percentage without the word per annum. Here, when the rate of interest is given without the word per annum, interest on drawings will be charged without considering time or date of drawing. Point to be noted, interest on drawings will be charged without considering time or date of drawing. In other words, interest will be charged for 12 months, whether amount is used for 1 month, 5 months, 3 months or 8 months, but interest will be charged for 12 months. Example, Mr. John is a partner who withdrew rupees 20,000 on 1st April 2019. Interest on drawing is charged at 10%. Point here, note the point. Per annum word is not given with the percentage rate, only percentage rate given. Calculate interest on drawing on 31st December 2018. So here calculation of interest on drawing, 20,000 is the amount of drawings into 10 upon 100. Time period will not be considered for calculation of interest on drawing in such situation. So your answer will be 2000. Understand? The second condition, the second example here, Mr. Rajiv is a partner who withdrew rupees 50,000 during the year. During the year means date is not given in the question when he withdrew the amount from the firm. Interest on drawings is charged at 12%. Point noted here. Point noted here. Interest rate given without word per annum, only 12%. Calculate interest on drawing on 31st December. So here drawing amount is rupees 50,000 into 12 upon 100. Time period will not be considered for calculation of interest on drawing in such situation. So your 6,000 will be answer for interest on drawings. I hope case first, when per annum word is not given with the rate of interest. Case first you understood properly. Now we will discuss case second, when rate of interest on drawings is given in percentage with the word per annum, with the word per annum. Is it clear? So in such situation, we divided 2 points, regular basis and irregular basis. For calculation of regular basis, average method is used, and for calculation of irregular basis, simple method and product method will be used for calculation of interest on drawing. Now here first point, when date of drawing is not given, when these are conditions for calculating irregular drawings. Irregular, first condition of irregular drawings, when date of drawings is not given in the question. In such situation, interest is calculated for a period of 6 months. Whenever in the question date of drawing is not given, in such situation average 6 months interest will be charged as interest on drawing. We assume drawings have been done evenly during the year, that's why we take average 6-month tenure. Is it clear? Your formula for calculation of interest on drawing, interest on drawing is equal to total of drawings into rate whatever given in the question upon 100 into time period will be considered 6 months when date is not given in the question. So 6 upon 12. Understand with an example. Rajan is a partner who withdrew rupees 30,000 during the year. During the year, date is not mentioned in the question when he withdrew. During the year, interest on drawing is charged at 10% per annum. Clearly information, 10% per annum. With word per annum interest rate is given. Calculate interest on drawing on 31st December 2018. So your answer will be interest on drawing, total of drawing into rate upon 100 into 6 upon 12. So 30,000 interest on drawing amount is given, 30,000 into rate is given 10, 10 upon 100 into average time period is 6 months. So 6 upon 12. 30,000 into 10 upon 100 into 6 upon 12, your answer will be 1500. This will be your answer. I hope you understand concept when date of drawing is not given in the question. Second, when date of drawing is given in the question, the date of drawing is clearly given. In such situation, for relevant time period, interest on drawing will be charged. In such situation, interest on drawing will be charged for relevant period for which drawings are made by the partner. Interest on drawing is calculated by the formula total of drawing into rate upon 100 into time left upon 12. Time left means how much amount is used by the how much time period amount is used by the particular partner. For example, Mr. Rohan is a partner who withdrew rupees 1,20,000 on 31st July 2019. Okay, here date is clearly given in the question, that is the 31st July 2019. Interest on drawing is charged at the rate of 10% per annum. Rate word is given 10% per annum. Calculate interest on drawing on 31st March 2020. So here interest, your answer will be interest on drawing, total of drawing 1,20,000 given in the question, rate of interest 10 upon 100 into how much amount drawing amount is used by the partner. So we made a drawings on 31st July. July is over. August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. 8 months drawing amount is used by the firm. So 8 upon 12, your answer will be 8,000. I hope you understood properly this concept. The third condition here, when different amounts are withdrawn on different dates, in such situation product method will be utilized for calculation of interest on drawing. So read the point. In this method, the amount of drawings are multiplied by the period for which it remained withdrawn during the period. Thereafter, the product are added and interest is calculated on the total of product so arrived at for 1 month. The Advantage of this system is that separate calculation are not required each time. The formula will be utilized in product method. Interest on drawing is equal to total of product into rate upon 100 into 1 upon 12. Time period will be utilized here 1 month, because all the amount will be changed in 1 month. So we will discuss here with an example here. Arun is a partner in a firm. As per the partnership deed, interest on drawing is charged at 12% per annum. Point is given clearly, 12% per annum, right? During the year ended 31st December 2019. 31st December 2019 is the closing date. He drew as follows. During the year he made following drawings. 1st March rupees 2000, 31st July 5000, 15th October 3000 and 15th December 4000. Calculate the amount of interest on drawings. So in this question, for calculation of interest on drawing, product method will be utilized, because drawings are made different dates. Is it clear? So for calculation of interest on drawing, calculation of interest, a table is made for 4 columns. First column is date, second column is amount rupees, third column is period, and fourth column is the product. Date, rupees, period and product. 4 columns table will be prepared. In first column, date is, these dates are recorded. In second column, amount are recorded. 3 column and fourth column we have to find out. How to find out third and fourth column amount? So here, period. How to calculate period? Drawing is made on, first drawing is made on 1st March and our session is closing on 31st December. From 1st March to 31st December, time period will be March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. This amount is used for 10 months. So period is 10 months. 2000 multiplied by 10, product is rupees 20,000. Is it clear? The second drawing is made by the partner on 31st July. 31st July over and closing date is 31st December. So July over, August, September, October, November, December, 5 months. So rupees 5,000 is used by the partner for 5 months. So 5,000 multiplied by 55,000. Is it clear? And third drawing is made by the partner on 15th October. So from 15th October to 31st December, time period will be November, December and half of December. So your time period will be 2.5 months. So 3000 multiplied by 2.5, your on 3500. And the last drawing is made by the 15th December. Amount is used by the firm for half months, 0.5 months or half months. 4000 multiplied by 0.5, your 2000, your answer 2000. Is it clear? Period and product we have calculated here as per the amount used by the partner. And in last, we need to total of the product column. The total of product column is rupees 54,500. Now all the amount we have converted in 1 month. Your formula will be calculated for calculation of interest on drawing. Total of drawings or product, here product 54,500 into rate upon 100 into 1 upon 12. So product amount is 54,500 into rate of interest 12 upon 100 into average time period 1 month, 1 upon 12. Your answer will be 545 as per the product method. I hope you have understand this concept properly, how to calculate interest on drawing when different dates are given in the question. I hope you understand. Now we will discuss the first method, average method. Two methods we have discussed, simple method and a product method, and now we will discuss about the average method. Now we will discuss. These are the methods: simple method, product method, and average method. Okay. Now we will discuss average method. How to calculate interest on drawing as per average method. First, when average method is used, average method is used when drawings are made regularly by the partner. Okay. For using average method, there are three important points. Direct, it is also known as the direct method or shortcut methods. Direct method will be used only if all the following three conditions are satisfied. Three conditions are: condition number 1, amount should be same throughout the period. Partner will draw same amount on the regular base. Second, date of drawing should be same throughout the period. Date of drawing should be same throughout the period. And the third is, drawings should be made regularly without any gap. There should not be any unequal gap. Equal gap must be required here. I hope you understand this concept. The formula will be utilized for calculation of interest on drawing: total of drawing into rate upon 100 into time upon 12. Is it clear? Time means average time period. Average time period is calculated as per the following table. I have given average time period is calculated by the using formula. This formula: time is equal to time left after first drawings plus time left after last drawings upon 2. Okay. This formula will be utilized to find out the average time period in average method. Here a table is given, specified at the beginning, at the middle, at the end. If a partner withdraw monthly at the beginning of every month 6.5 months, middle of every month 6 months, end of every month 5.5 months will be utilized as average time period. If partner withdraw any amount quarterly, so if at the beginning of every quarter 7.5 months, at the middle of every quarter 6 months, at the end of every quarter 4.5 months will be utilized as per average time period. If partner draw amount half yearly, at the beginning of half yearly 9 months interest will be calculated, middle 6 months, or at the end of every half yearly 3 months interest will be calculated here. Now this concept we will discuss with some examples. Try to understand with an example. X, Y and Z are partners in a firm. You are informed that X draws rupees 2000 from the firm in the beginning of every month. Here information: partner drawings monthly and beginning of every month. As per the table, beginning of every month 6.5 months interest will be calculated, right? Second condition: Y draws rupees 5000 from the firm in the middle of every month. So here middle of every month 6 month interest will be calculated. And third, Z draws rupees 10,000 from the firm at the end of every month. At the end of every month 5.5 months interest will be calculated. Is it clear? Interest on drawing is to be charged at the rate of 12% per annum. Calculate interest on drawing. So here calculation of interest on drawing. Formula: interest on drawing is equal to total of drawings into rate upon 100 into time upon 12. First condition for X. X draw 2000 per month at the beginning of every month. So 2000 into 12, the total drawing made during the year rupees 24,000. Total drawing 24,000, rate 12 upon 100 into average time period 6.5 upon 12. Your answer will be 1560. For Y, he withdraw middle of every month. So he withdraw rupees 5,000. So 5,000 multiply by 12, total drawing is rupees 60,000. Rate of interest 12 upon 100 into average time period 6 months, 6 upon 12. Your answer will be 36,000. In condition third, Z withdraw at the end of every month. So he withdraw rupees 10,000 per month. So 10,000 multiply by 12, rupees 1,20,000. Interest rate 12 upon 100 into average time 5.5 at the end of every month. So your interest on drawing will be 6,600. I hope you understand this concept properly. Another example, Ram, Shyam and Mohan are partners in a firm. You are informed that Ram draws rupees 4,000 from the firm in the beginning of every quarter. Beginning of every quarter. So here, if a partner withdraw beginning of every quarter, 7.5 months interest will be calculated. Is it clear? Shyam draws rupees 9,000 from the firm in the middle of every half yearly. Middle of every half yearly. So middle of every half yearly, 6 months interest will be calculated. And next, Mohan draws rupees 12,000 from the firm at the end of every month for 8 months. Mohan does not draw for all 12 months. He draw only for 8 months. Is it clear? So we need to require average time. Okay, we will calculate here. And in condition 4, Madan draws rupees 10,000 from the firm at the middle of every month for 6 months. How we will calculate here, we will discuss here. Interest on drawing is to be charged at 12% per annum. Calculate interest on drawing. So condition number first, Ram draws rupees 4,000 from the firm in the beginning of every quarter. So average 7.5 months. Average 7.5 months interest will be calculated at the beginning of every quarter. So here, interest on drawing, he withdraw in a year there are 4 quarters. He withdrew every quarter rupees 4,000. 4,000 multiply by 4, your drawing is 16,000. 16,000 into 12% is rate. 16,000 into 12 upon 100 into average time period 7.5 upon 12. Your answer will be 1200. Is it clear? Next, for Mr. Shyam, he withdraw 9,000 middle of half yearly. So during the year there are 2 half year. So 9,000 multiplied by 2, drawing is 18,000. 12 upon 100 is rate and average middle time is given 6 upon 12. So your interest will be 1,080. And for Mohan, Mohan withdraw for 8 months. Read the question properly. Mohan draws rupees 12,000 from the firm at the end of every month for 8 months. So he withdraw only 8 months. 12,000 multiply by 8. So total drawing is rupees 96,000. Rate is 12 upon 100 and average time period 3.5. 3.5, how is calculated this point? Remember, time left after first drawing, time left after first drawing 7 months, because he is drawing at the end of, and time left after last drawing 0 months. 7 plus 0 upon 7 plus 0 divided by 2. Average time 3.5 and answer will be 3,360. And for Madan, Madan draw rupees 10,000 middle of every 6 months. He is drawing for only for 6 months. So 10,000 multiplied by 6, your 60,000 will be total drawing. Average 12 upon 100 rate of interest given in the question, and average time period 3. Average time period is 3 months for 6 months, because 6 months is for 12 months and 3 months for 6 months. 3 upon 12, your answer will be 1800. I hope in calculation of interest on drawing you understood properly. If any kind of doubt in solving any question, you can ask me by call or by WhatsApp. Thanks.